next guest, Adam Last. Adam is Chief Strategist and creator of the Wave Strength Charting System, which helps investors use the power of options to make maximum gains. Adam, welcome.
Good to be here.
Can you tell us a little bit more about how your charting system works, just to give viewers an idea?
Well, simply put, we try and measure large groups of investors moving in and out of a stock or in and out of a whole index or a whole market. And we do that with a variety of mathematical techniques, but simply put, we're just trying to stay about 10 minutes ahead of large masses of investors coming in.
And this is information that you're looking at on every day and charting it to kind of get a sense of what's happening and where the direction is of the market?
Oh, every day we draw charts up that are anything from a year at a time, a quarter at a time, a month a tick, right down to a minute tick chart, just to get a firm grip of who's entering and who's exiting any given stock or index.
So this gives you a really good pulse on the market.
Absolutely, absolutely. We feel like we have a very firm grip on what's going on at any given moment.
And you've been doing this for quite a number of years, so you must be pretty darn accurate at it.
Oh, we've done all right. This year alone, in my own personal service, Wave Strength Pro, we're running around 66% accuracy, bringing in about 18.25% average gain. Cumulative gains so far this year is about 383%.
Hey, that's a very good number. It's quite an impressive number. And now you've got a new system, right? It's a brand new system from your original Wave Strength system?
It is the latest development, the newest in a long string. Wave Strength Professional depends on some very sophisticated algorithms. And for years we've been trying to find a way to drill it down to make it a little simpler, a little more straightforward, and easier for the average investor to wrap their mind around. And I think we've really got this licked now.
So with your original one, you were charting the different indexes. Are you doing that with the new product, or are you looking at certain stocks?
The new product is all about stocks. We try and keep this real simple and straightforward. It's 2 indicators and all stocks this time around.
So very, very easy then.
Very, very easy, very straightforward. Once a week, one stock.
Now, I realize that whenever we say the word options, some investors get nervous. They think it's a little bit too risky and too hard. Is that true, or do you see that the new product really removes that?
Oh, that's a bit of a myth. Really, at this point, if you're qualified to invest in stocks, you're pretty much qualified to invest in options. And to make matters even simpler, my co-author on this particular product is Brian Baldarelli, a former floor trader, and he's designed a very straightforward options program to go with this. We give you everything you need to know. You know exactly the name of the stock, you know when to buy it, and then we watch it to watch for maximum gains for you.
Okay, so you've made a system that's very easy for investors to follow and to be able to profit from options. What is your latest recommendation? Our
latest recommendation, we just put out a sell on Campbell's soup.
Okay.
It's one of the big myths. Every stockbroker will tell you there's certain winter stocks they love to recommend. Mattel for Christmas. And one of the big ones is always Campbell's soup does wonderful in the winter. We went and looked at the chart. We found that not only do they not always do wonderful in the winter, but that this year there's actually already starting to be the very beginnings of an exodus from this stock, which is setting up a perfect opportunity for us.
Now, I think you said something that's very important here. You said you went to the chart because you're right. Most people would make an assumption about Campbell's soup being good for the winter, but you looked at charts, so you're actually looking at some documented proof as to where the stock is now. And that's how the system works, correct?
Absolutely, absolutely. We don't care about the mythology. We don't care whether people feel like it's a good idea or not. It even could be a valuable stock, although in this case, Campbell's is looking mighty pricey from a value standpoint as well. But the key thing we're interested in is there a large group of investors ready to move into or out of a stock? And in this case, we've got an absolute signal. There's a large group of investors that are getting ready to move out of Campbell's.
Okay, this is really good. I think this is an exciting new system because now you're telling an investor exactly what they should be doing and when they should be buying the particular stock, and you're basing it on some real documented proof.
Absolutely.
That's great. So it's really a very, very good system for an experienced or even a novice investor to get into, correct?
We've designed this one, any experienced trader would have fun with this, but we've really aimed this particular system at the novice. We give them everything they need to know once a week, a quick rundown on the stock, the sector they operate into, what they do for a living, what caused the setup, and where the chart says they're going next.
Sounds like a slam dunk to me. I mean, everything that an investor would need, you're providing in this system.
Well, it's done pretty well so far. This is play number 9. We've had 7 full plays so far this year. They've all been winners, and we're averaging roughly 57% gains on each play.
Okay, I don't see how anybody can go wrong by giving this product a try. Thank you, Adam.
My pleasure.
If you'd like to take Adam up on this investment, go to taipanfinancialnews.com and look for the Wave Strength link. And while visiting taipanfinancialnews.com, check out Andrew Snyder's Breakaway Investor. And be sure to sign up for Steve Lord's Trend Investor so you can get his free report on the company that looks like it's got a viable diabetes treatment. Until next week, here's to great profits from smart investing.